In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a MindStudio worker that monitors a website for changes. And for this example, we're going to pretend that we are a journalist who wants to receive alerts when the state of New York issues a new warn notice about a layoff or a closure. So we've got this URL here, and I'm going to go ahead and generate a new workflow. And my request for this workflow is every hour check this URL for a new notice. If there are any, scrape the PDF from the link of the notice and generate a high-level overview for a journalist with the following information. 3 different types of headlines, a teaser, some metadata, a 3-bullet summary, and a link to the source PDF, and then send it in an email. And I'm going to say this runs on an automatic schedule, and I'm going to press generate. And now that it's finished, we can take a look at the proposed architecture and see that it's going to use a global variable to keep track of the changes in the page. It's going to scrape it, it's going to use some functions, and it's going to run on a schedule. And this all looks good, so I'm going to let it build it. Now that it's done, let's take a look. So we can see that it generated a system prompt for us. And if we go to the automations, we can see that it starts and it runs hourly at the start of every hour. It loads the previously processed notices using a custom function. It scrapes the notice page for all of the notices and uses a send message block to extract them. It then uses a logic block to see if there's anything in there. And if there is, let's see, it goes to extract the text from the PDF in the notice, and then it generates an email containing the content of the notice and formats it into Markdown to be sent in an email, and sends it and saves the result. So let's go ahead and run this in the debugger and see what it does. It is scraping the site and getting back all of the content. It's processing that content, seeing if there's any notices, and then if there are, it's extracting from this PDF all of this text and generating a result for us. And if we look down here, we can see this is the result that it sent us. And if I go to my email, I can see that I received the results as an email. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to build a tool like this in MindStudio and incorporate it into your workflow.